We're here with another Everything Taco Bell from our Everything Taco Bell series, aptly named Everything Taco Bell. Today we're talking about the vegan option, the black beans. Yes, everyone loves the black beans. Don't they love black beans? Yes. Kids just can't get enough of the black beans. I don't know about your kids, but my kids don't exist, so they don't care. Black beans are very popular on a few of their items, and yeah, if you're a vegan or vegetarian and you just don't want the meat, or you're just not eating meat today, their black beans are the option unless you get the spicy potatoes, the fiesta potatoes, which we will be doing in another video very shortly. But black beans could not be simpler to make at home. You have a can of black beans. Here, I think it's camera swiping this up. Black beans. If you want to start with raw black beans, God bless you, you don't need me because you know what the heck you're doing. If you just want to make some quick black beans, this really is easy. This is everything you need. These are vegan, so we're using only vegan options. So we have olive oil, we have onion, we have garlic, and we have just a few spices. This is pretty simple. We got a little cumin, we got a little turmeric, and we have a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste on these as much as you want, or as little as you'd like. This is usually packed with a fair amount of sodium in them. Let's see how much sodium is. This is 300. Woo, yeah, you don't need to add salt to that at all. 380 milligrams, folks. That's plenty of salt. Onion, quarter cup or less, 1 clove of garlic. This is a fairly small, teaspoon of each. Turmeric, if you don't know, is this beautiful yellow, orangey colored thing. It is what a lot of curries are made with. That's what gives it that wonderful orangey color. It is a great thing and is fantastic for you. If you have arthritis or joint inflammation, then you already know all about turmeric. That is not enough to help you. You gotta have a lot of turmeric. So take supplements, but that has nothing to do with black beans. These are the black beans. I've given away a lot of information for the intro of this video. It's because there is no middle part. There's just this, there's cooking, and then when I come back and I'll show you when they're done. So let's go cook these things, and I'll show you that part, because seriously, this is easy. So let's do that. So I've got a 3-quart saucepan here over medium heat, and I'm putting my olive oil in and the onions here. I may have not mentioned these are white onions, not yellow onions. I think it has a cleaner flavor, and if you have the option, what the heck, go with the best choice, which in this case is a white onion. We're going to just let these cook down just a little bit. We don't want to really brown them and caramelize them. Just a minute and a half, 2 minutes is plenty. Now we're putting our garlic in. Be very careful with the garlic because it will burn and you have to start over because burnt garlic does not taste good. I don't care what anybody says, don't do it. All right, now we're putting our spices in. We have a little bit of cumin, we have our paprika, and we have a little bit of the turmeric in there. Who am I kidding? There's a lot of turmeric in there. And it is a funny powdery thing that didn't want to come out there because it got steam on that bowl and it stuck to it. So we're just toasting the spices for a second there, and now we're just dumping the can in. I did not drain the beans. I'm using all the liquid and everything else. If you don't like that, if it's too thick for you, you can drain it and add water to this or vegetable stock to it. If you're not worried about the vegetarian aspect of it, then you can use chicken stock, which tastes wonderful. But yeah, basically just put that in there, put a lid on it, let it come to a boil, simmer this for 10 minutes or something, and you got beans. That's it. That's perfect. That's all there is to making beans. Oh, no. And that is seriously how easy it is to make the black beans. This is an amazing recipe, no matter if it's Taco Bell stuff or not. Black beans are incredibly good for you and really flavorful and fantastic. Great source of protein. And if you like black beans, I don't need to tell you any of that because you already know. But look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it, folks? And I'm going to get a nice big old mound of black beans in this beautiful tiny little dish because the one thing I've learned is that photography is about making something look bigger. You gotta make the food look more epic Ooh, all the good sauce is at the bottom. Oh, I'm gonna have to let that sit because it looks a little weird. All right, that is how you make the black beans. Couldn't be easier. Don't have to do anything to them. They have great flavor. And I'm gonna prove that to you in 1 second when I grab a spoon right now. See, told you I could get one. I know where the spoons are. It's my kitchen. There you go. All right, grabbing a couple black beans. Not the hugest black bean fan in the world, I'll be honest with you, but these are some pretty fine beans. Flavor on them is great, soft, tender. The turmeric, it is in their beans. So if you look in the ingredients list, that is part of their beans. It makes a difference. So do not skip on the turmeric, please. And don't skip on the like button while you're at it, or the subscribe button, or the rest of the stuff. You can share this video with all of your friends because they're going to want to know how to make these incredible black beans, because you can't make them for everybody. So there you go. When people ask you, where do you got your recipe for your great black beans? That's it right there. And you can tell them to come here because everyone is welcome here. Even vegans, even though 90% of the stuff I do is not for vegans. Every once in a while, I do one of these, so there you go. And hopefully you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. And I will enjoy you coming back to see me on the next one. Until then, have a good one. Bye. If you like this video and want to see more like it, I've got a whole playlist of Taco Bell copycat recipes. There's a couple dozen of them at this point, from the enchilada, the bell beefer, the big giant classic taco salad, and the huge shell. I'll show you how to make the shell, but you gotta watch that video. It's, maybe I put it up over my head right now. Hopefully I did. The playlist right there. Check out all the rest of the Taco Bell stuff. If you like this one, you'll like those. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.